Oi lads, it's Danny here today, bringing you a lovely video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at ln of infinity divided by infinity. What is that equal to? But before we begin, please drop a like and subscribe, and let's get right into it then. So, the way we do this is it's quite straightforward. What we are going to do is apply limits from calculus 1. We are going to represent ln of infinity divided by infinity as a limit, and this here is the limit basically that represents this. And this limit, we are going to then proceed by replacing the infinity where the x is. So let's start with the numerator. Ln of infinity, right? Ln of infinity will yield to infinity. If you ever looked at a ln of x graph, basically any large value of x will tend to go to a large value of y. And in this case, if we have infinity, it's going to basically trend to infinity. And the denominator representing x with infinity is going to be infinity. So really what we have over here is infinity divided by infinity. And we all know that, as per my last videos, we know that infinity divided by infinity is basically an indeterminate form. You know, there's no fixed solutions, there's no finite answer, no unique solution. It's an array of multiple possible solutions, and therefore we call it indeterminate. But we don't stop over here for this type of fraction, this ln infinity divided by infinity. There's actually a way to solve this limit using a technique called L'Hopital's rule. And L'Hopital's rule is a great technique which basically makes use of solving some very difficult limits where your answers that you receive are basically indeterminate. So in this case, we have infinity divided by infinity, but it can also be used when you have a fraction of 0 divided by 0. So L'Hopital, basically, what we do in L'Hopital is we take a derivative of the numerator and denominator respectively, and by doing so, we basically eliminate receiving an indeterminate answer. And we can only do this once we have established that the answer straight on first time around is indeterminate. So the way we do it is we take a derivative of the numerator and denominator. The numerator, the derivative of ln of x is very straightforward. That would just be equal to 1 divided by x, and the derivative of x is just equal to 1. We are going to be left with this limit as shown on your screen. We can simplify this a bit further, and finally we have this limit, which is the limit as x approaches infinity of 1 divided by x. If you were to replace 1 divided by infinity, think of it, I know it's a concept, but think of it as a very large number. You take a 1 and then you divide it by a super large number, you are going to be ending up with an answer of 0, and therefore ln of infinity divided by infinity is actually equal to 0. So if this video has helped you lot, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.